Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of algebraic terms at page number 123. As we know about the sum of the numbers as 2 pence and 3 pence gives the 5 pence. Now in algebra, like term can be added together to give a single term. What are the like terms? The term having the same variables like 2x and 3x because both have the same variable x. These are the like terms. Like terms can be added by adding their coefficients 2 and 3. It gives 5 and variable will be same. So 2x plus 3x gives 5x. Similarly 4x plus 1x. Here the coefficient of x is 1 plus 3x we will get 8x. Means to add the like term we will add the coefficients of the terms and the variable will remain as it is. Similarly you can see these problems can be added. So thus the sum of several like terms is another like term. It means if we have two like terms, the addition is also the like term to that terms having the same variable and the coefficient is addition of their coefficients. That's the meaning of these lines. Now look at the remember box. 7a equals to 7 plus 7 multiplying with plus a. Remember that when we are multiplying the two terms having the same sign, the answer has plus sign. If we are multiplying the two terms having the negative sign, then the answer has again plus sign. But if we are multiplying the two terms having the different sign, the answer will have minus sign. Similarly, the term having the different sign on multiplying will give us negative term. So multiplying these two negative we will get a negative term. By multiplying 5 with y we will get 5y. Multiplying these two negative terms we will get a positive term, and 7 multiplying a we will get a 7a. Similarly we can see here we take common minus and minus 7b minus 3b. Now minus 7b and minus 3b are the like terms. Minus minus we will get plus, so we have to plus these two terms to get 10b. What will be the sign of the resultant value? The sign of greater value will be assigned. So on taking of the bracket, minus minus will be multiplied, and minus minus after multiplying we will get a positive. So here is the 10b. Moving to the next page 124. Look at example number 1 having four parts and we have to add these algebraic expressions. In the first part we are given with two algebraic expressions. Now writing the vertically form, write the first expression above and the second below. We will write in this way that the like terms should be below each other, so that a would be written below 2a and minus b of second expression will be written below 3b. Similarly c will be written below the 5c. Now here is plus minus, we will get minus, so we have to subtract these two terms. 5, here's the coefficient of c is 1. 5 minus 1 we will get 4, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. 3b plus 3b minus b. Plus minus minus we will operate minus 3b minus b we will get 2b, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. Similarly 2 have the sign plus, a has the sign plus, and plus plus we will get plus, 2a plus a we will get 3a, and sign of greater value will be assigned. Similarly, you can do the other examples. In this example, writing these three expressions in vertically form, we can do these parts. Now come to the exercise 8b. Question number 2, add the following. In the question number 1, we have given like terms, we have to add these terms. 2x plus minus 3x plus 5x plus minus minus, multiplying two opposite sign we will get a negative sign. Now these all are like terms because all of these have the same variables. We can add their coefficients. Now take these two first terms. The sign of 2 is plus, plus minus minus. We will subtract 3 and 2 to get 1. The variable x is 1. The sign of greater value will be assigned. Now take 5 plus 5x as it is. Minus plus minus, we will subtract it because plus minus and plus we will get minus. We have to subtract. So subtracting 1 from 5 we will get 4. Subtracting 1 from 5 we will get 4. The variable remain as it is. So 4x is the final answer. Similarly, we can do the second part. In the third part, we are given with two algebraic expression, but in the first two parts we have given the like terms. So we can add the expressions by writing in vertically form. First write the first expression and then second expression so that the variable should be below each other. Now plus minus minus, we have to subtract these two terms. By subtracting 3 from 3 from 4 we will get 1b, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. Now plus plus plus, 3 plus 2 5, and the variable will as it is, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. Coming to the next part, a plus b minus c, 3a plus b minus 3, writing these two algebraic expressions vertically so that the variables should be below each other. Now minus minus plus, these two terms should be plus. 2 plus 1 we get 3c, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. Now plus plus plus, 1 plus 1 2b, the sign of greater value, as both are the same value and having the same sign, so same sign will be allowed. Now 3a and a will be added to get 4a, sign of greater value will be assigned. Coming to the fifth part, plus minus minus, we will subtract these two terms. 5 minus 1 we will get 4c, and the sign of greater value plus will be assigned. Plus minus minus, we will subtract from 4 and 3 to get 1b, and the sign of greater value, 4 is the greater value, so sign of plus will be assigned. Now plus minus minus, we will subtract 5 and 4 to get 1a, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. In sixth part, we are given with three algebraic expression. So writing all of these in vertically form so that the like terms should be below each other. Now look at these first two terms, plus n square and plus 4n square. We will get 5n square. The sign will be of plus. Plus plus plus, 4 plus 1 5, and the sign of greater value will be assigned. Now we have to operate 5n square and minus 2n square. Plus minus minus, 5 minus 2 3n square, and the sign of greater value plus should be assigned. Now mn and minus 3mn, plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 2mn, and the sign of greater value minus will be assigned. Now we have to operate minus 2mn and plus mn, plus minus minus, 2 minus 1 1mn. The sign of greater value, 2 is a greater value having the sign minus will be assigned. Now m square and 2m square having the same sign will be added to get 3m square. 3m square minus m square plus minus minus, 3 minus 1 get 2m square, sign of plus will be assigned because 3 is the greater value having the plus sign. So This is the final answer. Now, in the next part, we are given with 3 algebraic expression writing in vertically form. 1 plus 4 plus, we have to plus 1 and 4 to get 5. Now, plus 5 and minus 5, we will get 0. So, we will write 0, or we can write nothing at this term. Now 5 plus minus minus 5 minus 3, 2x, and sign of greater value, we will get plus 2x, plus plus 4 plus 2, 6x, sign of greater value, minus plus minus 4 minus 2, 2x square, sign of greater value, a sign greater value is 4, having the sign negative, so minus minus plus 3 plus 2, 5x, and sign of greater value minus will be assigned. Now 3 plus 1 and plus 4 get 7x cube.